We are the St. Vrain Valley School District InvenTeam. Our team is made up of both Erie and Skyline High School students. This year, we received a $10,000 grant from the Lemelson-MIT Foundation, a program which celebrates outstanding inventors and encourages young people to pursue creative lives and careers through invention. Our team originally met on July 17th to come up with initial ideas for this project, and we submitted a final application due in early September. On October 24th, Lemelson-MIT announced that we were one of 15 teams nationwide to receive this grant. This grant has allowed us to research, design, develop, and test a project which could one day change the world.
Between 1994 and 2013, the Emergency Event Database recorded 6,873 natural disasters worldwide, which claims almost 68,000 lives on average each year. Some people become trapped in their homes and run out of supplies, or get swept away by water. With cell towers down, people have no way to contact the outside world. Our product is intended for victims in natural disaster situations and for people preparing for one. It is designed to help with search and rescue teams to locate stranded people in natural disasters more efficiently.
Our project is called the Beacon Rescue Drone, also known as BRD. It's a three-part system. Baby Bird is a handheld device that's reasonably priced for a range of $30 to $50. This will be able to fit in a first aid kit, and its main job is to receive GPS coordinates from an Adafruit GPS module. And it's connected to an Arduino Uno, and this will be able to transmit the data to the Mama Bird. The Mama Bird is a universal attachment, but we're using a drone in our test, which will transmit and receive data, so it's a two-way system. The two-way system will receive the data from the baby bird, and then we'll be able to transmit the data to the master station. The master station is called the bird nest. The bird nest is where the emergency services only have access to. This will allow them to have all the coordinates coming into a computer system where they will be able to download all the coordinates that they're receiving from the people that are in need of help, and we'll be able to show and pinpoint exactly on a map for emergency services for easy access to get to the people and for help.
The end goal of the Beacon Rescue Drone system is providing a functioning and affordable system that will help search and rescue crews save more lives. As part of the Lemelson-MIT grant, all 15 Invent teams must travel to Boston to attend Eureka Fest for their final project presentation. That is where you can help. Even the smallest donation can go a long way in supporting Colorado's only Invent team.